Today we'll be working to glue the tubular to the rim with a special tubular glue. First, we start spreading the glue onto the tubular with a brush. Now we glue the rim, and once done, we let both sit for about 10 minutes. When we're done with gluing the tubular and the rim, we wait a few minutes until the glue is not sticky. Along the process, we check on the glue. Now comes the final part of the process when we glue the tubular to the rim. It is a tricky process because the valve needs to go straight into the hole, and then the tubular needs to be stretched on the rim evenly so there are no bumps along the way. The bumps will ultimately cause the tubular to not adhere well and slide off. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe if you're interested in more.